Hello everybody, here's a quick video of using this Milliontronic secure bits. These are Torx bits, and then they range from size T7 to 310, T15, 20, 25, 30, all the way up to 40. There are 10 bits, and they're called security bits because they have a little hole inside, which are perfect for this Shark Ninja vacuum cleaner, where to remove the screw, you need one. You see, if you look at the screw, it's got a little dot protrusion in the middle, and therefore you have to use a screwdriver like this that has a hole in here. And these are magnetic, so they're very good in terms of grabbing it and taking it out. So the only thing is, well, they're magnetic. The case pops out. The case kind of doesn't have a good latch on it. It pops out, and all these things were oily. So you just have to use a little napkin to get rid of the, as you can see, the oil residue here. So just use the napkin to get rid of these. They're very clearly marked, which is good. Each one, so you can tell the number. The only thing is, as I mentioned, they're magnetic, so they all stick together, but they are clearly marked, which makes it easier to find them, to find the size that you're looking for. As you can see here, it's upside down. You can see here, this is T15, which is what I'm using to remove the screws from this vacuum cleaner. And because they're magnetic, they're very easy. And if you notice here, the screw is buried deep. So you need a long one. I have other bits that are shorter bits, but then they would connect over here, and this is too thick to go in deep enough here. The bit itself is too thick to go in here. But because these are thinner, they go in here nice and easy. So you need something that can go in deep. So yeah, these are perfect to unscrew and unscrew. The screw comes right out because it's magnetic, and you won't. Yeah, nice. So well worth the money. Nice and handy. And if you have a vacuum cleaner, even if they don't need the secure bits, these come in handy.